Hello, in this video I'm going to show you property overriding. If you haven't watched the method overriding video, highly recommend that you check that out first. So property overriding, so we have this property, here. It's, the public and protected. So I'll just deal with the public one, max speed. So imagine if we have max speed like that, and imagine if we here even set a value of 100, for example. This will essentially get overridden by this anyway, but I'll comment this out for demonstration purposes. So we've got a max speed here. Imagine if we essentially want to create another one of these but in the child class. So we could obviously here do max speed equals around 19 or whatever the value is. But if we wanted to do it here, we want to do var max speed colon int equals 90, for example, you'll give us an error. It's saying max speed hides member, super type, vehicle, and needs override identifier. So we first of all need to put override here. So we are saying that we are overriding it. And next, because it's final, we need to make it open. So if we go to our variable to start, we put keyword open, and you can see you get no errors and it's being overridden. So if you want to override it here and you don't want to put it within maybe another function or even its constructor, you want to put it here, that's how you do it. You have to do property overriding. Pretty simple, but if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.